Cassandra is a best example for unstructured data.
Yes, sir.
Like it can handle structured data, unstructured data, and semi-structured data. Then we are going for big data technologies like distributed computing, like HDFS. The major concepts of big data, HDFS and Cassandra. You can call it as map reduce. HDFS is nothing but a Hadoop distributed file system. If you are feeding data into the system will divide it into number of chunks. Each chunk will take each node like a master slave architecture. You know, server client architecture, Ramchand. I think you might be knowing.
Yes, sir.
So same thing here we are following like a master slave architecture for HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. It can handle a huge volume of data. Then it can perform in data parallelism and fault tolerance. You know what is meant by fault tolerance, Ramchand? There are 100 systems are there. 100 servers are in a data center. One server is not working properly, but 99 servers are supporting for generating real-time data instead of one server failure. That type of system and technology is called fault tolerance. Tell me now what you understood.
Yeah, actually, let's say, for example, there are 10 servers that is doing job for
Yes,
my business. Unfortunately,
correct.
one server which is not functioning properly. So
Perfect.
the load will be shared by the other 9 servers so that the job does not stop in between and the work continues on and
Ah,
on. Yes.
correct. That is called a fault tolerance.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If anybody will ask you that question, you
Yeah.
need to tell this answer. I'm
Yeah.
expecting from you.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we are enabling efficient data processing across multiple systems. Then we are going for architecture of big data technologies like analyzing the structural design of big data systems. You know, architecture means structure. Structure is nothing but a composition of software and hardware components and connections among them, with including data storage layers, processing frameworks, and resource management components that work together to handle a huge volume of data operations. That is called architecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have a number of tools for big data technologies, like we have major concepts too. One is the HDFS. What is the expansion of HDFS? Ramchand,
Yes, sir.
HDFS means Hadoop Distributed File System.
Okay, sir. Hadoop Distributed File System.
What it does means it takes a huge volume of data as an input.
Yes,
It
sir.
is divided into number of chunks. Each chunk will take as a master slave architecture, and then it can respond to the master node as a client. Then responds, I'm working very well, like that it can respond. Then what is meant by data pre-processing framework? MapReduce is a programming model with the help of Java programming. We are writing a program, we are compiling the program, we are executing the program, finally we are deploying the program. That is called MapReduce with the help of Java programming.
Yes, sir.
And data analysis tools like data warehousing tools like Hive and HBase. Pig is a data pre-processing language, data streaming language. Now tell me, what is the definition of data streaming language? I have explained already.
Yes, sir.
What is streaming?
Streaming is all about, let's say, I mean, the examples of streaming are, let's say, YouTube videos, live cricket matches,
Perfect,
live
perfect.
football matches. So it is
Correct.
between
Data flow. You need
yeah,
to tell like this.
yeah.
Data flow between server to system, system to server, server to server, system to server, system to system.
Yes, sir.
Data center to data center is called streaming data. Keep in mind.
Okay, sir.
Best example programming language is called a pig. Pig is a programming language.
Okay,
What
sir.
type of programming language? Streaming programming language you need to tell.
Okay, sir.
What is meant by streaming? Now tell me.
Yeah. Streaming is all about data flow
Flow of
from,
data.
yeah, data
Flow of data.
flow of
Ah,
data from server to system, system to server, vice versa.
correct.
The examples are
Correct.
live coverages of matches, and then live coverages of any, let's say, when the Australian president talking on a live coverage. So those data are streamlined data.
Correct. That is Anthony Albanese is a president of Australia. Keep
Okay,
in mind.
okay, sir.
Techniques of big data technologies. We have a number of techniques. Keep in mind. Data mining techniques. What are the data mining techniques, Ramchan? We have clustering techniques. We have classification techniques. We have regression techniques.
Okay,
We
sir.
have association rule mining techniques
Dimensionality
and
reduction,
error detection, recommender engine, etc. What
etc.
about machine learning? Learning from the observational
Observational data set.
data, which can be solved with the help of supervised learning,
Learning,
unsupervised
unsupervised
learning,
learning,
and
reinforcement learning.
reinforcement learning. Perfect. Then what about the predictive analytics that are applied to extract valuable insights from big data? Maybe weather forecasting, stock market analysis, NASA data, traffic data, etc. Then what are the advantages of big data technologies? We are getting so many benefits, including decision making capabilities, improved operational efficiency, and the ability to uncover hidden patterns and the correlation of within large data sets, interesting analytics, and meaningful data we are extracting from the huge volume of data. What are the disadvantages we are getting? There is a still data privacy concerns mean security problem. Maybe sensitive data like DRDO data, they won't reveal that much easily to everybody. Okay, DRDO data. You know Ramchand, DRDO?
Department of, I think, research,
Research and Development
development.
Organization.
Yeah.
It is there in Sulurpeta, Nellore district.
Yes, sir.
Sriharikota,
Yeah.
Shar.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Even in Thiruvananthapuram, it is there in Kerala.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the complexity of data management, it and the need for substantial computational resources. We need to have a data center in order to compute the huge volume of data. What are the research challenges of big data technology? Still developing scalable algorithms means, you know what is meant by scalable, Ramchand? Do you
Uh,
have any idea?
Scalable is all about, let's say,
Size
when
of the data.
extending, uh,
Very good, very good, very good.
expanding.
Your answer is correct. Size of the data, if you are increasing, you need to increase the size of the server or data center. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is called ensuring scalable algorithms and ensuring data security everywhere. Data is there, there is a security problem, and integrating heterogeneous data sources. What is meant by heterogeneous, Ramchand?
Heterogeneous is all about, like,
Different types of
yeah,
data.
mix of data. Yeah.
Correct, correct.
If it
Then
is
what are the
homogeneous,
algorithms?
then one type of
The
data.
same type of data.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Algorithms of big data technologies is nothing but we are having so many big data algorithms like parallel processing algorithms and those designed to real-time data analysis. Now see, top 10 major concepts of big data analytics. Now I have explained only 3 V's. What are the 3 V's, Ramchand?
Yeah,
Can you explain?
volume is all about the size of the data. Variety
Correct.
is all about the different types of data like audio, video, text, image, graphics, animations. These are all the varieties of data. And then veracity of data is all about um, uh, the size of the data, different
Correct.
sizes of the data. It may be more
Which
than
one?
1 terabytes and beyond.
Which one? Which one you are saying?
Veracity.
Veracity